morning. Good morning. Hello. 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 Good morning. Let me see my audio is proper or not. So, we were doing heights and distances. That means trigonometric applications. Yeah. So, we will be continuing the same exercise. Okay. So, let me take out the textbook. Okay. This is the textbook page. Textbook page. Till 7 problems I have completed. Now, today I will be doing 8th problem onwards. I told you, whenever you are doing these problems, you should understand the problem and you should be able to draw the figure properly, correctly. Okay. So, once you have drawn the figure correctly, then you can easily get the answer. So, now let us say a statue 1.6 meters tall. Yesterday immediately I have started. Good morning, Hunter ji, good morning. So, stands on a top of a pedestal. So, like let us draw the diagram. Say this is the pedestal and here there is a statue. Okay. AB is the statue and BC is the pedestal, and they are lying on the ground. Okay, I am not using the geometrical figures. I am using just a freehand diagram. So, this is 1.6 meters tall, and on the top of, and from the point on the ground, there is a point on the ground, let us say D. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees, right? From the same point, the angle of elevation of the pedestal, top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the pedestal. Say if I say this is the height of the pedestal, so this particular value you have to find out. Okay. Tech Gaming, good morning. So, this is the diagram. Once you have got the diagram, then it is very easy. you have to identify two right angle triangle because there are two angles, one is 45, the other one is 60 degrees. Identify two right angles, two right triangles, and then so one right triangle is BCD and the other right triangle is ACD. I am doing simultaneously one after the other. So in the triangle BCD, 45 degrees is there. In this also there is no use of the hypotenuses. हाइपोटेन्यूज का काम नहीं है इसमें, ओनली ऑपोजिट साइड एंड एडजेसेंट साइड का ही काम है, इसलिए साइन एंड कॉस आप छोड़ सकते हैं. सो देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ साइन एंड कॉस, ओनली tan you can take. Okay, so tan or cot दोनों, because tan is opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side by adjacent side, and cot is the reciprocal. So only tan. So I am directly writing tan because it is easy to remember only tan values. Now in ACD, tan 60 degrees is there. Okay, I am writing directly so that sound is coming for me, sound is coming. See, I can show you my sound. So I hope you are able to listen to this. Maybe little less, little less. So tan 45 opposite side by hypotenuse. Tan 45 opposite side is BC, which is equal to BC by adjacent side is CD. And here tan 60 opposite side this entire AC. And adjacent side is CD. Now let us put the values. Tan 45 value is 1 and BC is H and CD we don't know. So let us write CD only. And tan 60 is root 3 and tan 60 is root 3 and AC means 1H plus 1.6 by CD. These are the two equations in CD and H. So we have to find out the H value, not the CD value. So eliminate CD from both the equations. So now if you cross multiply it, CD is equal to H. This is first equation, and here CD into root 3 is equal to H plus 1.6. So in the place of CD, I will write H root 3 minus H is equal to 1.6. Okay. So now H I will take common, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So H is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1, you rationalize it or you put it you rationalize it and then you write the values. So then what happened? 1.6 into 1.732 plus 1 by a square minus b square. A square is root 3 whole square, 3, b square is 1. So it is equal to 1.6 into 2.732 by 2. You simplify this and this will be the height of the pedestal. Height of the pedestal. So I'll keep little near the mouth. So this is question number 8. Question number 8 is over. ఇది స్కూల్లో చేసేసావు కదా మొత్తం? Okay. So now let us go to 9th question. నువ్వు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకో, then we will go to the 9th question. Okay. So 9th question, let me rub these things. So the elevation of the top of the building. So elevation of the top of the building and top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. So there is a building. First let us draw the ground. This is the ground and this is building. So which is taller, I don't know. I did not read the question completely. So let us say. So the angle of elevation of the top of the building, let us say this is building and this is a tower. Okay. And from the foot of the tower. So this is the foot of the tower. This is how much? 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation top of the tower, this is taller because angle is bigger now. So this is 60 degrees. So let us say AB is the building and CD is the tower. If the tower is 50 meters height, so this is a 50 meters height, and find the height of the building, and this height you have to find out. This height you have to find out. So this is a voice is not proper. What should I do? My voice is good morning. Now is it okay? I'll keep the mic like this and I'll speak. If you can tell me my voice at this juncture is correct or not. Voice is not proper. So good morning, Bharat Singh. Manohar, good morning. Okay. Now is it okay? So this is the diagram. Now we have to find out the height. So here also you have two triangles. One triangle is. So good morning. I told you that you have to identify two right triangles. One is triangle ABD. This one. Another one is a triangle BDC. Okay. So in both the triangles, even in this also, there is no hypotenuse. Okay. Suraj, good morning. Suraj Singh, good morning. Good morning, Suraj. So there is no need of hypotenuse. You can write directly tan. In ABD, which angle is there? ABD 30 degrees is there. Tan 30 degrees. And in BDC, which angle is there? Tan 60 degrees is there. No need of thinking. You just directly write. Okay. So then tan 30. This is the 30. AB. AB is the high opposite side, and BD is adjacent side. So tan 60. CD is opposite side and BD is adjacent side. Okay. So then tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. These values you should by heart. AB is nothing but I will write H. BD I will write BD only. So tan 60 is root 3. CD is 50 meters. It is given by BD. So here even in this case also we have to find out the height of the building, H. So we don't want BD. So BD should be eliminated. From one equation you find out the value of BD and eliminate. Simultaneous equations in two variables. So whoever is good in simultaneous equations in two variables, they can do it easily. Okay. So now BD is equal to H root 3. And here root 3 into BD is equal to 50. So now this BD value I will write here. So root 3 into H root 3 is equal to 50. So 3H is equal to 50. Root 3 into root 3, 3, and H is equal to 50 upon 3. So this is the answer. Height of the building is uh, 50 by 3. You can put it in the decimal form. Question number 3. Question number 3, I have to go back. Okay, I will. I have to go back. I'll try to explain you after 6:30. Okay. So this is question number 9. Very important question. Let us go to the రాసుకుంటున్నావా? రాసుకోవట్లేదా? రాసుకో. When you write it, what happens? You will remember it longer time. When if you don't write, if you just simply watch it, what happens? You will forget. एक क्वेश्चन कैसा रहता है, जब हम बोलेंगे तो टीचिंग के टाइम पर आपको इजी में समझ में आ जाता है, बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग बाय योरसेल्फ ना, ये क्वेश्चन आपको याद नहीं आता है. ओके, सो नाउ 10th question. Two poles of equal heights. Now here given, let us say this is ground and equal height. This is one pole and this is one pole. Oh, I have opposite to each other, and side of the road. This is road, and AB is a pole and CD is one more pole. Both heights are same. Okay. So then, which is 80 meters wide. Road is 80 meters. Okay. 80 meters. That means BD is equal to 80 meters. And from a point between on the road, the angles between means not exactly. One, say here, and this angle is 60 degrees, and this angle is 30 degrees. Diagram is not proper, but it is okay. Okay. So now let us say this point is E. E. So now here also you can have, there is no need of hypotenuses. What he asked, find the height of the poles and the distance between the point from the poles. Say, let us say this is X and this is Y. X plus Y is equal to 80. We have to find individually X and also Y as per the problems. So now you have to find out X, Y and H. So my procedure did not change. Two triangles which has two right triangles. One is ABE. The other triangle is CDE. So because there is no hypotenuse, directly you can write tan. So in ABE, 60 degrees is there, tan 60 degrees. And in CDE, 30 degrees is there, tan 30 degrees. So 60 H by X, I am writing directly. And 30 also H by Y. So tan 60 value is root 3 by H by X. This is 1 upon root 3 is equal to H by Y. So H is equal to X root 3 and Y is equal to H root 3. So this is first equation and this is a second equation. Okay, now three variables and only two equations are there, right? So now here X plus Y is equal to 80. So X is equal to 80 minus Y. You can write. Okay. So then what happens? Otherwise you eliminate H. H value you put it here. So then what happened? Y is equal to X root 3 into root 3. So Y is equal to 3X. Okay. So now X plus Y is equal to 80. One more equation. So now Y is equal to 3X. In the place of X, I will write 80 minus Y. So then 240 minus 3Y is equal to Y. So 4Y is equal to 240. Y is equal to 60. Therefore, X is equal to 20. Okay. x is equal to 20 because y is equal to 3 into x. 3 into 20 is 60. So now we got x and y. We should need h also. H is equal to x root 3. So 20 root 3. So 20 into 1.732. You will be getting something. So all the 4 answers. All the 3 answers we have got. Okay. So this is about 10th question. Okay, this is all these things are long answer questions. I am telling you, my dear children, trigonometry is very, very important concepts because there are 2 chapters. So more questions आने के लिए बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में more questions इसमें से ही आएंगे. आप थोड़ा इसके ऊपर फोकस करेंगे तो आपको easily marks आ जाएंगे. And this chapter is only one concept. tan का values remember करना, problems read करके diagram डालना, ऐसा दो triangles निकाल के 2 equations आ जाएंगे, but बस. So this is about 10th question. Okay, and 11th question already एक diagram तो दे दिया है, आप इसको कर सकते हैं. TV tower 9.12, so 60 degrees, 30 degrees. This is say this is 20 and this is x, this is height. So now 2 right triangles ABC and ABD. So tan 60 and tan 30. You write those things automatically हो जाता है. So let me go to 12th question. Okay. ఇది ఇప్పుడు చేయకపోయినా సరే క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని వెంటనే చేసేయాలి మనం. ఓకే, so 12th question. From the top of the 7 meters height building, the angle of elevation of top of the cable tower is 60, angle of depression is 45 degrees. So this has a depression. So this is a ground. Okay. From the top of the 7 meters high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower. So this is building 7 meters. AB is building 7 meters, and this is a tower. Okay. From the top elevation, because from here you have to draw, this is 60 degrees. So now CD is the tower. And the depression is 45 degrees. Depression of the foot is 45 degrees. And this is 45 degrees. Okay. Find the height of the tower. So let us say this is x and this is y. So this is height of the tower. Let us say this is z, and this is also will become z. Okay. So depression means, you have to remember, depression means the angle which is below the horizontal. Everywhere wherever there is a observation, you should draw a horizontal. So the depression will be 45. So many students will do angle here, that is wrong. Okay. So because it is 45 degrees, alternate interior angles are equal. These two are equal. So you can write like this. But showing in the figure, you have to show like this. Otherwise, you will be missing a half mark. Okay. Vivek, good morning. Abhishek, good morning. Amaya, good morning. So now let us take again 2 triangles. One is in this also there is no need of hypotenuse. So tan. So triangle ABD is 1 and triangle AEC is 1. So ABD is how much? Tan 45 degrees. And here tan 60 degrees. Okay. So tan 45. AB by BD. And here CE by AE. So tan 45 is 1. 1 is equal to AB is 7 meters and BD is also equal to 7 meters. Okay. And tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to CE. We have only X. AE is equal to Z. And root 3 is equal to X by Z is nothing but 7. X is equal to 7 root 3. Okay. So we got X is equal to 7 root 3. And we want X is equal to 7 root 3 and Y is equal to 7. Because these two things are parallel. So therefore height of the tower is equal to X plus Y 7 root 3 plus 7. 7 into root 3 plus 1. 7 into 1.732 plus 1. So 7 into 2.732. So this is the height of the tower. Okay. So this is a question number 12. I told you in the beginning I have given you some questions. All questions will be in the same. Akanksha official, hi. Harish, good morning. Very good morning all of you. So now I will close this session now. I am going to open immediately after 5 minutes my physics class. Yesterday I have started teaching you physics. So I am going to teach you physics for 20 minutes, concave mirrors. So yesterday I started giving you concave mirrors. I am going to open one more stream after 5 minutes. So those who are interested to learn physics, you can join back on my channel for physics. Okay. Thank you for patient listening. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.